Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Shiba Inu from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're holding SHIB on Gemini and want to move it to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a verified account on Gemini with some Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens, and a Coinbase wallet set up on your phone or device. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those ready, it's super quick. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Gemini app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select your SHIB holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Gemini might have updated their interface by 2025, so it could be even more user-friendly. Step 2. Choose SHIB as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so switch over to your Coinbase wallet app. In Coinbase, go to the Receive section, select SHIB, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify that you're on the correct network, like Ethereum for SHIB, to avoid any errors. Step 3. Back in Gemini, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send. Don't forget to check for any minimum limits or network fees, which could be around 2025 standards. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely get a confirmation email or in-app notification. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Coinbase Wallet and refresh to see your SHIB arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A few quick tips for 2025. Use hardware wallets for extra security, stay updated on any regulatory changes, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide, thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.